Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Rada, and today's video we are going to unbox the Tory Burch Ever Ready tote bag. I promised to my viewer that I would do more of the affordable work bags. So here we go. I am here with the tote bag that I have been an eye on for a while. So I'm so excited to talk about this today, and also at the end of the video I will style this bag. So if you are interested, then let's jump right into it. I always wanted to get a good tote bag, and I think this is such a good choice for me as a starter. So yeah, let's open this up together. Also, it comes with a receipt, just so you know, in case you want to return or exchange or something. But yeah, here is the bag. That looks pretty good size to me. I mean, that is what I expect the size it would be. So they put the thick paper to keep the structure of this bag, which is great. Here we go. This is the Tory Burch Ever Ready in the color Zinc, and I love this color the most from what they have, so I decided to get this one. It's like a grayish neutral color, which I love. To me, I think this color will be a good match for any outfit. So let me show you the closer looks of this bag, and then we move on to what fit inside and everything. This bag has a basket weave pattern. On top of the bag, you will see the Tory Burch logo. Hidden logo is the reason why I love this bag. I am not a big fan of the big logo bags, so I think this is just a perfect tote bag for me, I guess. And believe it or not, it's come with the matching pouch that can detach. If you want to use this pouch separately, you definitely can by detach this strap, and then you just unhook that like that. If you want to add the strap, you definitely can, because there is a hoop right here that you can attach. Hardware is in gold finish, and I forgot to mention that the material inside is made with the cotton lining, while the outside is made with water resistant canvas. So I think it should be very nice for the rainy seasons, or you know, everyday bag. And since it's made with the fur canvas, I think it's very easy to maintain and easy to take care of. And look, there is another zipper pockets that you can put your essentials, your makeup, your wallet and everything inside this bag as well. So that is pretty good. To be honest, I rarely see the pocket inside the bag besides the pouch. So I think this is such a good function. Here's in the bag, and just so you know, there is no back legs or anything. It's just like that. To be honest, I really like the color. It's grayish versus like neutral color, you know what I mean? It looks really nice, guys, in person. And another thing I love that there is the lobster crabs on the top of this bag just to secure this opening. There are two different colors available in this open tote. One like mine's called Zinc, and another one's called New Ivory. If you prefer lighter color tote bag, I think New Ivory is the good one. And also there are two more versions of Ever Ready tote bags which have zipper sizes and colors available. Those versions called Ever Ready Zip Tote. So there comes with different sizes, different color, and I believe there are 7 different color available. So if you are looking for like colorful tote bag, just want to make something fun in your everyday bag, I think the zip tote is a good one as well. It's lightweight, so it will be very easy to carry around. It should be very good for school bag or work bag, anything, you know, for everyday tote bag. Sometimes it's happened to have a discount on that page, so keep an eye on the site and you will get a good deal. Now let's see what fit inside this bag. I've got all of my essential right here, and let's pretend that we are going to work. Now I have my 16-inch MacBook. I will put first because it's the biggest thing here. So as you can see, MacBook fits perfectly. I got the iPad. I believe this is the iPad 6, and of course it fits right there. I got some of my book that I've been reading. Next I have my hairbrush and my wallet. This is the YSL envelope wallet. Put it there. And my makeup bag. This is a huge makeup bag because I carries everything with me. The lipsticks are the most that I have. Powder, the hand sanitizer, the brush on, the brush and everything. So leave it there. Got my bottled water. Pretty sure the phone will fit inside and many more, but I'm taking the video with the phone as well, so I would not be able to put the phone inside this bag. But overall, guys, I have everything inside this bag, even though this might be a little bit too much for me to carry with, but I just wanna give you an idea what could fit inside. It's get wrinkled once you put the stuff in, and it's pretty heavy here, so I suggest to don't overload the bag. However, this bag reminds me of Goyard tote bag, and I think it is such a good dupe for that. Durable piece that you can add it in your wardrobe, very affordable, and it's very easy to match with any outfit. I can show you how I style this bag, so let's see. I hope you guys enjoy and find this video helpful. If you like this bag, please comment down below why you like it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!